we're alive. We're here on the beach. Two friends, India, Israel, and we went on a jeep.
Yeah.
But it's a future jeep. And Prime Minister, it's a pleasure to have you
It's
here.
a gal mobile.
You can say whatever you want.
I'm very, very thankful to Bibi because the vehicle which I saw today, particularly in the natural calamity, when people are suffering for the drinking water, this is the very unique type of vehicle which can provide a drinking water and how to do the process. It's a very, very simple way. I'm sure this is a unique product. Thank you so much.
תודה רבה. תודה לכם.